Let's take a closer look at the major elements of a script. Pop open the Unity editor and create a new project. Now, create a new C# script called MyFirstBehavior. You'll notice that I'm spelling behavior with a U. That's because even though I'm in the US, Unity originally comes from Denmark. All of their names use European English spelling, so for consistency, we'll adopt that style as well. Speaking of behaviors, you might be wondering why these scripts are called behaviors in the first place. In Unity, you write scripts that describe behaviors that get attached to an object. For example, a dog might have a bark behavior, a walk around behavior, and a love humans behavior. This makes it much easier for you to organize and reuse your scripts. So remember, scripts describe behaviors that get attached to game objects. Okay, double-click and open up your new script. Let's take a look at the part labeled Start. What you see here is called a method. You use that to give a name to a part of your script so that you can more easily find and execute that part. For instance, remember that the Start method happens when the script is first loaded and update happens every frame. But what are methods anyway? Programming is a lot like writing instructions for a recipe. Think of methods as the major verbs for your instructions. In this example, the Start method contains all the instructions you need to happen when you first load the scene. The Update method contains all the instructions for when this behavior actually happens. Alright, now you know the major elements of a script.